Tata Altroz, is it really the gold standard amongst other hatchbacks? Let's check out. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to be notified for all new videos. What's up YouTube, welcome to Complete Tech Review and welcome to another walk around shoot of the Tata Altroz. And this one is offered in both petrol and diesel variant, and the price starts at an attractive 5.29 lakhs and goes upwards around 9.34 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi. On the safety side, the Tata Altroz gets all the necessary features and it certainly tops the Euro NCAP crash test, and it gets ABS EBD, corner stability control, which is CSC, dual airbags, park assist, and the most interesting is the voice assist feature. On the engine side, it gets the both BS6 ready 1.2 liter Revertron petrol and also the 1.5 liter turbocharged diesel. Both are BS6 ready and comes with ISS, which is idle start stop built in. It also gets the multiple drivable modes, and it is built on the light and the agile Alpha architecture platform. The boot space is 345 liters, which is largest among its class, and the best thing about the interiors is the infotainment system, which is Android and Apple compatible. I hope you enjoyed the short walk around video, and if you do like it, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.